There are two important family photos that had been in storage. I was ready to display them. One is from the 40s, my grandparent getting married, and one from the 60s of my mother. This vintage looking set of two 8x10s came well packaged like the styrofoam on the quarter, and each one came individually packaged, wrapped with plastic. The high definition tempered glass does have a little bit of a reflective quality, and the frame is plastic. The back does have the turn buttons that lock well as a couple of hanging hooks and the kickstand. I had no issue manipulating those. Sometimes they're super tight. Inside you see a mat that can make it a 5x7 if you like. Sample sunflower picture and then the tempered glass. I do like that I had one of each size, the 8x10 and the 5x7, and I could put them both in a similar frame, just sliding that in and putting the components back together. Quite pleased with the ease of use and the construction. That mat is a nice bright white, and the frame is kind of a yellowy gold. If you wanted it less yellowy, then you could always add like rub and buff to bring down the color. 8x10s work great for me, although they do come in a lot of different shapes and sizes, and most importantly, enjoying that I can treasure these memories for years to come. Hope this helps.